Hello, food enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore: Russian Grenki. These crunchy, garlicky delights are a favorite among many. But did you know there's more to them than meets the eye? Stick around as we uncover some unknown facts about Russian Grenki that will leave you craving for more. Origin story. Let's begin with the origin story of Russian Grenki. While they are a beloved snack in Russia, Grenki were actually inspired by Italian bruschetta. Yes, you heard that right. These delightful toasts made their way into Russian cuisine and quickly became a staple. The unique twist of Russian Grenki includes the delicious addition of garlic and other seasonings, giving them a distinct flavor profile. Crunchy secrets. Ever wondered why Russian Grenki are so incredibly crunchy? It's all about the double baking process. The bread is sliced, seasoned, and toasted until it's slightly crispy. Then, it's baked again to achieve that satisfying crunch. This process not only enhances the texture but also intensifies the flavors, making them irresistible. A versatile snack, Russian Grenki are incredibly versatile. While they're often enjoyed as a standalone snack, they can also be used in various dishes. They can be crushed and used as a crispy topping for salads or soups, or served as a side dish with dips and spreads. The possibilities are endless. Regional variations. Just like any other dish, Russian Grenki have regional variations. While the basic recipe remains the same, different parts of Russia add their own unique twists. For example, in Siberia, they may be flavored with smoked fish, while in the south, you'll find Grenki with a touch of Mediterranean influence, such as olives and sun-dried tomatoes. Pairing perfection. One of the best ways to enjoy Russian Grenki is by pairing them with a shot of vodka. This classic combination has been a part of Russian culture for generations. The saltiness and crunch of Grenki complement the bold flavors of vodka perfectly, making it a common choice for celebrations and toasts. Historical delights. Russian Grenki have a fascinating historical connection. They were traditionally made with stale bread to prevent food waste. In fact, Grenki roughly translates to something toasted in Russian. So, these crunchy morsels have been a frugal yet flavorful delight for centuries. Garlic magic. The secret behind the irresistible garlicky flavor of Russian Grenki is a technique known as a brash. During this process, a clove of garlic is rubbed on the crispy bread, infusing it with an incredible aroma and taste. It's this simple yet ingenious method that elevates Grenki to a whole new level of deliciousness. Sweet and savory. While we typically associate Russian Grenki with savory flavors, there's a lesser-known sweet variation. Sweet Grenki are made by brushing the toasts with honey and sprinkling them with sugar. They're a delightful dessert option and a surprising twist on the classic recipe. Home cooking tradition. Russian Grenki aren't just a snack. They are also a symbol of home cooking and hospitality. Many Russian families have their own special Grenki recipe, passed down through generations. Preparing Grenki at home is a cherished tradition, often involving family gatherings and shared memories. International influence. Grenki have gained popularity beyond Russia's borders. In Ukraine, they are known as grenachki. These toasts are enjoyed in various forms in other countries as well. The idea of crunchy garlic bread transcends cultural boundaries and is appreciated worldwide. Literary legacy. Did you know that Russian Grenki are mentioned in some of Russia's greatest literary works? In Fyodor Dostoevsky's novel, Crime and Punishment, the protagonist Raskolnikov is often seen indulging in Grenki. This connection between literature and these snacks highlights their cultural significance. Teatime treat. Russian Grenki have another unexpected role in Russian culture. They are a popular choice to accompany tea. When you're enjoying a hot cup of tea, these crispy toasts serve as the perfect crunchy sidekick. This tea and Grenki combination is both comforting and delicious. So, there you have it, folks, some unknown facts about Russian Grenki. From their Italian-inspired origin to their regional variations, these garlicky toasts have a rich and fascinating history. Next time you indulge in a plate of Russian Grenki, you'll appreciate them even more. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more culinary adventures, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell. We'll be back with more intriguing food stories soon. Until then, keep snacking, keep exploring, and keep satisfying your curious taste buds. Thanks for joining us today.